Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable KineMaster permission after download. First, make sure you are connected with good internet or mobile data. After that, open Setting app, scroll down and tap KineMaster. Allow all permissions, photos, microphone, media and Apple Music. Turn them on. If permission were denied earlier, open KineMaster. When they ask for permission, tap Allow. If the pop-up doesn't appear, use the settings steps above. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.